Okay, so once we've installed the pump and motor, the complete assembly in the area that the customer wanted it, we now have a piece of PEX that's coming out with an elbow on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install the plumbing all the way up. And you insert this piece of PEX here first, push it in, and you'll feel it click tight to make sure that you pull on it, it doesn't come back apart. And if it's too long and you need to replace this piece, just push in on this little piece here. Just push in on it. See, now it's locked tight. Pull on it, push, comes back apart. So we're going to put this piece in. Pull on it, make sure it's tight. This is the shut-off valve. The shut-off valve is going to allow you to be able to shut the water off to the pump if it needs to be serviced or it needs to be removed. Also, it's a good idea to have it shut off when it's in transit.
So I found out what was wrong.
So then the next piece is going in, and then we're going to put an elbow on it and swing it up to the desired location. And then we're going to go to this cold water line right here. We're going to cut it right here because right here is where the T is going, so we're going to cut it right here and put an elbow. Okay. Now we're going to put on the supplied elbow. Again, pull on it, make sure it's tight. So now this piece will come to the T, and actually going to cut it a little long so that way make sure that we're going to be able to attach into with plenty of length. So next we'll need a bucket to capture the water. Be sure your water pump is turned off and or any supply from the campground is turned off as well, because water will be going. Always good to have the tea ready. So you need to remove any.
Just like this.
Measure your distance, and if you can see, this is going to go all the way up to this edge here, so kind of, you don't have to be exact, but just be close. And that completes the plumbing installation. So now, okay, so to recap, an elbow coming right off of the pump. We got a short piece that we installed the shut-off valve. Came up, put another elbow, wire tied piece across, put another elbow in, found a city water line, put a T in, and plug it in, and we're ready to go. Just that simple.